Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Potato Chief, and welcome back to the channel. We're reacting to Bobby Lashley versus Roman Reigns, which is not the main event. Wait, WWE's learning. Don't put him in the main event when he's not got the title. Thank you for listening, for once. This should be good though, it should be fun. There will be no footage shown due to copyright reasons. I usually have that written by there, but it's not written there, so I don't know why I pointed. But there will be no footage shown because of copyright reasons, but you can still see my reactions of me going, oh my god! Said a couple of times tonight, do you guys want me to do full videos like this in the future, or would you like me just to react to the end of the match? Let me know. I mean, obviously, I'll watch the whole match, but I'll just start recording when I get to the end, if that makes any sense. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But we're going to react to the entire match here. If you guys just want to see, obviously, my reaction to the actual pinfall at the end, you can skip to the end. Or if you want to watch me react to the whole match, there's also that option. So there we go. So at the moment, it's just they're hugging each other. And Bobby just dropped him on the floor. I don't see how you can bet against Roman Reigns, but I would love Bobby Lashley to win this one. Is this going to be boring? Probably.
Great point. Bobby Lashley, a tremendous amateur wrestler. Back in college, Missouri Valley College, he was 3 straight years in NAIA.
Come on, Bobby.
Wrestling champion.
And that's exactly what Bobby Lashley's going to need to do on the flip side, is use that power, use the quickness.
Come on, baby.
Push the pace, which would serve him well.
Bobby Lashley served in the United States Army, would continue in wrestling there.
I guess.
He's part of the world-class athlete program and Armed Forces gold medal. Look at this great suplex by Lashley, who is putting on a clinic here in the early going.
You know, we talk about
my dog's sleeping by there.
When we talk about Roman Reigns, I think that
if I'm getting distracted, that's why
the well to find his inner dog here tonight and
my big dog.
Nastier than what we're normally used to seeing from him.
I agree with you to a point, Coach, but you don't want to get caught in a firefight.
Come on, Bobby! Ooh, Bobby did like a split jump thing, and then Roman Reigns turned around and punched him in the face. Cool story.
Get that out of here as he takes out
Get that out of here. That's trash talk from Roman Reigns. Get that out of here. According to Michael Cole, anyway.
These two men battling for that distinction. It's a disputable fact at the moment. It is absolutely Roman Reigns' yard. But if Bobby Lashley wants to make claim to that, what better way than knocking off the guy?
There's no question.
D-guy.
Needs to start stacking up, not just
go after D-guy. Who do you think is D-guy? Let me know in the comments below.
Of his WWE career.
Bounced off the top turnbuckle again by Roman Reigns, who looks to set another example here tonight of Lashley. Been a lot of people over the last few years that have challenged Roman Reigns in his spot at the top of the food chain.
Let's go, Bobby. Let's go, Roman. Let's go, Big Dog. Let's go, Big Bob. Come on, Big Bob. Big Bob. Come on, Bob. Get it, Bobby. Bobby Bear. Hey, Bobby. That's my terrible Hank Hill impression. Propane. Hey, Bobby. That back, Bobby. I don't know how good that is. Probably a terrible Hank Hill impression. I'm sorry. Oh, drive by Roman Reigns. Boom. He drove by. Are we going to get Roman Reigns versus Brock Lesnar parts 12 or 18 or part 200 or whatever it is at SummerSlam? I've lost count how many times they faced now. Are we going to get that at SummerSlam? That's the big question. Or we're going to get my boy Bobby. Bobby. It's Bobby, baby.
Just a little bit ago. That's all it takes sometimes. And now Roman with the chin lock has Lashley back down to one knee.
You want what?
Reigns looks to continue to dominate. You see the smile now crossing the face of the big dog.
I have no idea what they're saying. Is it we want tables? We want...
This is the pace we expect.
I don't know what they say they want. We want refunds. I don't know. Do you guys know what the crowd was saying at that point? I was trying to catch it, but I couldn't catch it.
They're both really, really strong, but it's a
CM Punk. CM Punk.
Between Roman Reigns and Bobby Lashley.
You're right. I think Bobby Lashley's more of an explosive, quick,
oh.
one at a time.
Oh.
Boom. Oh, what
These guys are very similar. Not gonna lie. I always liked Bobby Lashley when I was a kid, though. Maybe I was a stupid kid. Maybe I was a stupid kid. Because Roman Reigns and Bobby Lashley are essentially the same character, just 10 years apart. And I liked Bobby Lashley in his first run, but I guess I was stupid and I didn't know any better. This is before I became a massive mark and I started to study and look at study wrestling, air quotes. When I started to go back and look at the history of wrestling and who's a heel, like the tropes of wrestling, and the baby face is a stereotypical thing. The top face of the company, is a big thing. Bobby Lashley was very briefly the top guy. He was the top guy on the new version of ECW for a little while, and then he was top. He was, he had his moments. He never main evented at WrestleMania, even though the Roman Reigns keeps saying he did, because he wasn't the last match on the show. He fighted for Donald Trump, which is a weird thing to say. He was Team Donald Trump, which is weird. But that wasn't the main event, that was the middle of the card. The main event of that year, I think, was Shawn Michaels versus John Cena. So, Bobby Lashley never main evented at WrestleMania, but essentially he was the archetype of what Roman Reigns is now. He is the like kind of baby fit, kind of trying to be cool, trying to be edgy, but really still babyface. You know what I mean? Like Roman Reigns, like he's all in black and he's like, I'm the big dog, this is my yard. Like, it's supposed to sound cool in your head, it sounds cool, but in reality it's really lame. Does that make any sense? I'm not having a go at Roman Reigns. I think he's a good wrestler. He's good on the mic. I just think he's got terrible character and terrible... The writing from him has been awful. Right? That's my opinion. And I feel like that's what they did for Bobby Lashley 10 years ago. And he reinvented himself in TNA and he reinvented himself in MMA. But since he come back, he's basically gone back to what he used to be, which kind of sucks. I think Bobby Lashley as a heel would be much better, to be honest. And I don't see him beating Brock Lesnar at SummerSlam, honestly. If Bobby Lashley does face Brock at SummerSlam, I don't see him winning. So, I mean, I see him Roman Reigns winning this match again and then finally beating Brock after all this time. Or they're going to have Brock hold the title till WrestleMania, which would be ridiculous.
Belly to belly.
Belly.
Lashley. That is in Lashley's wheelhouse.
Yeah, that quick power.
It is still quite hot over here in the UK, so my hair, I'm sweating like mad. That's what my hair looks like, a complete mess.
Lashley, another head of steam.
Big boot.
Reigns gets a boot up just in the nick of time. Roman Reigns with a clothesline as Lashley's knocked down.
But every time that Roman impacts Bobby Lashley, he hits the right
Bobby.
side, the ribs.
Ribs.
Something seriously wrong with the right side of Roman Reigns.
Roman Reigns has been fighting rib issues throughout the entire spring and summer here in WWE. Perhaps just flaring up on him here tonight as he continues.
Just clothesline him in the corner. So yeah, as I said earlier, do you want to see the whole matches every time, or do you want to see the enders of the matches? That's the thing with pay-per-views. I still haven't figured out the best way to do it. 1, 2, no. Bobby Lashley, no. Referee was like, he did that, he elbowed you. Let's go, Bobby. Let's go, Bobby. Propane. Bob. I want Bob to win because he's done bugger all since coming back. And I feel like we've seen Roman Reigns versus Brock Lesnar enough times now. I think Bob versus Brock would be pretty good.
What a collision, and I think it hurt Bobby just as much.
Bobby.
Where's he going?
Bobby's going to the top rope.
I can't believe we're
going to see a flying Bob.
Lashley's going to head up to the top rope. This is not.
He's sweating like mad.
Bobby Lashley from the top rope.
Here comes Bob.
Reigns to make it back to his feet. Lashley
oh.
top of Reigns. Double axe handle flattens the big dog.
No,
Bobby Lashley's starting to feel it.
I think whatever was.
I mean, even Bobby Lashley in his original run, he had the Dominator was one of his finishes, but he also had a spear. So that's like sums it up. Roman Reigns and Bobby Lashley both had spears for their finishes. They both were pushed down people's throat over people that people liked. Vince McMahon was determined to make these guys the faces, but Bobby just left. I can't remember exactly why. Oh Jesus! Bobby's dead! Holy crap! Roman literally, he was like, Bobby was holding on to the rope and Roman just chucked him over the top of the rope. That looked nasty. That looked like a botch. Holy crap! He just dumped him. Oh shit! That looked really painful. That looked really painful.
I can't believe Bobby's moving, guys. Yeah, the officials at 8. The officials at 8. Lashley back up to the apron and slowly makes his way in the ring. A big leg drop.
What the fuck was that? Roman Reigns just did a famouser. It was supposed to be a leg drop, but it was on the back of his head, so it looked like a famouser. Or fame-asser, as the great one, the future Hall of Famer, Mr. Ass, used to do. Also known as Billy Gunn! I don't know if you'd ever be a Hall of Famer, I'm just being sarcastic. Bloody hell, they keep oh my god! Oh my goodness, they keep showing it, that looked nasty as hell. Like, as you watch, I watch Royal Rumbles every year. This year we had 3 Royal Rumbles. You get people thrown over the top rope all the time. That's not an unusual thing, right? But that was nasty. He literally fell. He plummeted from the top rope. Granted, it wasn't as bad as Kevin Owens getting chucked off the top of a steel cage, which is earlier on tonight. Spoilers if you haven't seen that clip yet. Bob catching him. I'm so glad this isn't the main event. That's such a good call. Nothing wrong with either of these guys, but it doesn't deserve to be the main event. I wonder what the main event's going to be. Is it going to be Rusev versus AJ? I think Rusev deserves a push like that. 1, 2, no.
Wow, it does not get any closer than that without the bell ringing.
If I'm Bobby, I'm upset.
You saw that smile, a smile of almost disbelief break out on the face of Lashley when Reigns kicked it 2.5.
He's thinking, give me a quicker
Let's
3.
go, Bob.
Picture perfect vertical
Bob sucks. Let's go, Bob. Bob sucks. Right, Bobby's going for a spear by the looks of things. I didn't think he used the spear anymore. Doing this.
It's only going to take one more thing.
He's pulling faces. Why are you pulling faces, Bob?
Could Lashley be sizing up Roman Reigns for a spear? Lashley in position. That 3-point stance now. Lashley.
Oh, the bro fist.
Right on the button.
He just got punched in the face.
Hook of the leg. Yeah. Lashley kicks out again.
People always fall for that as a false fall. He never pins anyone for running with a Superman punch, so I don't know why people always fall for it. I guess people always fall for false falls, though.
From Roman right on Lashley's jaw.
Like every time Dolph Ziggler used to hit the famous there, everyone used to think that was going to be the end, even though that wasn't his finisher. You know, there's a lot of signature moves like that that people will hit and they assume it's going to pin him, even though it never has and never will. If you have a finisher and you have a signature, the signature never wins the match, but it's always like, oh, that's close.
Lashley now staggering, trying to get his wits about him.
Okay, so Bobby Lashley's leading up against the table. Roman's on the other side of the ring. I have a feeling we're going to see a run-in. We're going to see someone go for that announce table. He's going ooh-ah. It's ooh-ah. He's powered up. He's got Super Saiyan. It's the ooh-ah power. Oh no, belly to belly. Through the table or over the table. The Germans just lost all their notes. The German announce table didn't break, but all the notes went everywhere. They have nothing to read now. What have you done, Roman? Your body has ruined all their notes. How will they know what to talk about when it comes to... How will they know about Dolph Ziggler versus Seth Rollins later on tonight? How will they know that Seth Rollins is known as Mr. Monday Night or Monday Night Rollins? See, my notes are missing, so I didn't realise that I had the wrong word there. Bobby's going for it. We're going to get a flying Bob. Bob's to the top rope. Super bro fist. Ooh, everyone's doing. Oh, Bob. Roman's getting cocky. Mayonnaise! Yeah. Oh, he's ooh-ahing again! Ooh-ah! Super Saiyan. Oh, Bob's got him! Bob Spear! 1, 2. What? Alright, cool. What? Okay. Bob just beats Roman. The big Bob beat the big dog. Bobby is good at SummerSlam. Holy crap. So Bobby's won that one, so maybe Roman Reigns is going to win the next two. Because that's wrestling. Wow. I'm shocked, actually. That's this guy right here. Never bloody loses. Unless, especially on pay-per-view. Wow. That's a shocker. And with a spear, nonetheless. Oh, they're showing the dumping over the top rope again. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, Bobby looked like he died. Roman Reigns getting chucked into his room in an announce table. His ooh-ah wasn't enough. Not enough ooh-ahing. Not enough ooh-ah! Needed more ooh-ah. Not enough ooh or not enough ah. I'm not sure. Just a little bit. Ooh, ah, a little bit more. Hey! Hey! Hey, the camera's over there, not over there. Over there, yeah! He got speared. I'm weird today because it's hot. I'm hot and bothered because it's too warm. Bobby Lashley. Let's go, Bob. Let's go, Bob. Bob, 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 Bob. Bobby? Bobby Lashley? Wow. Roman Reigns with that. Well, I'm happy with that. Shocked, but happy. Alright. I guess we're getting Bob versus Brock, I guess. What do you guys think? Let me know until next time. Too sweet. Oh my god, Bobby.